morning to respected teacher and my dear friends. Radip sir, hashtag tension free. You have always not taken any tension and advise us to be tension free as well. You have always take a step towards solving complex problem into a simpler way. You have made arrangement for us to be comfortable in any hesitating situation and made sure that we won't face any difficulties. You have never felt disappointed in failure or mistake made by any student. Instead, you have advised us to learn from those. You have held the challenges and fulfilled them with the courage. Nutan ma'am, hashtag different from all. You have always portrayed yourself to be different from all in front of us. Your method of teaching, writing notes, not being hostile on anyone, instead being friendly with students, make you distinct from others. You have always followed your own way of achieving marks. Advise us for any matters.
Hashtag supportive. Being a supportive teacher is the sign of being a fantastic teacher. You have made us believe in ourselves by showing trust on us and giving us several opportunities to learn to be productive and achieve excellence. That is why I am giving this hashtag to our beloved Radip sir. Hashtag always up for moral values. Nutan ma'am cannot stand anyone to beg at good aid. She teaches us the moral values alongside teaching us the chapters. We are trying our best to implement those moral values in our daily life. So, thank you for teaching us the moral values. I am giving this hashtag to our beloved Nutan ma'am.
Hashtag book lover. You have always acknowledged us with the knowledge, not only inside the textbook but also external books as well. You have always kept a keen knowledge in external book reading and motivated us for the same. Hashtag precise. You have always taught us to be perfect in our tasks, always instructed us to write in a systematic way and make a perfect notes. You have gone through each and every details and make sure that any mistake should be avoided during the exam.
Hashtag imagination is the key to learn. Nutan ma'am has always emphasized a lot on imagination. She has always told us to improve our imagination skills to do better in our studies and in our life. And this guidance by her has always worked. Ma'am, your guidance about imagination has come true in all aspects whenever we have tried. The imagination has helped us a lot in learning all the subjects, not only in physics but in every subject. So I would like to thank you for that, and I am sure that our every student will be loving this advice of imagination and will continue it, and therefore I will be liking to give you this amazing hashtag of imagination is the key to learn. Hashtag mind reader. Radip sir has always succeeded in reading our minds. He has a very good quality of mind reading. Whenever we try to hide something from him, he is always able to know it and always advises us to the right path. He has always supported us and always helped us in problems, even if we are not able to share it with him. So, I will like to give him this tag of mind reader.